Hello, today I'm playing Hogwarts Legacy on Xbox Series X. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage camera settings. In the beginning, let's go to menu and enter gameplay options. Now you can invert camera X-axis, camera Y-axis, invert flight controls, enable or disable camera relative targeting, change camera sensitivity, aiming sensitivity, camera acceleration, aiming acceleration, and follow camera speed. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.